TheWorldOfNature.com, Season 1, Episode 1. And here, we always have to learn about nature. What to do with it and what not to do with it.
First, well, let's take a walk through the garden. Yeah, let's look through the garden first. Let's see all the beautiful plants.
There's cherry tomatoes growing right here. And
Okay.
there is cucumbers, tomatoes, and fruit.
There's cantaloupe.
Watermelon, and a lot of cantaloupe.
So there are four watermelons. There's one right here.
And over here, rhubarb.
Yep. Watermelon.
We had some help to plant this garden as well, and let's go.
Yep.
And as you can see, we do have beautiful weather as fresh wheat. Salad! And some farmers planted this. Basically, we cannot tell them who they are because they told us not to. So, and let's go. And we are getting ready to harvest with the
Swather.
Swather Versatile Swather 400 Hydrostatic. And how do I know this? And a Ford engine. And over here, as you can see, it's supposed to be a 3-wheel. And I let the camera lady hop on Swather just get a closer look of how.
This is the seat.
Yeah, and
There's the steering wheel. Clutch.
this is the clutch.
Nah, I'm not sure.
These are supposed to help it steer. See?
And then here's the back of it, the muffler.
The muffler,
And then the engine.
Ford engine. And
And then the
I don't know if the camera lady can do this, but
no idea.
and this is the front. Of course, there's a cardboard piece right there. We'll take that out, and tomorrow we're gonna make an episode. We can do it later. As you can see over here, I think this is raspberry. There.
You can see there are little flowers.
And we will be getting ready to harvest. And we got that camera.
Yep.
As you can see, we are gonna stop it so we can so the camera doesn't clog out.
This is part of the combine.
Yep.
Oh look, there's a beautiful dragonfly flying around.
Yep. Snowbird and of course there's a Ford F-250 XLT diesel. How do I know this? I just do. And that should be it for episode 1. If you guys liked it, please click the subscribe button below me where my finger's pointing. And I will see you later.